Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo video doorbell step by step clearly. To set up your Arlo video doorbell, begin by unpacking the device and ensuring you have all the necessary components. Locate your Arlo application on your smartphone and launch it. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in to your existing Arlo account, or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Once logged in, tap on the Add Device option. From the list of devices, select Video Doorbell. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code displayed on your phone. The app will guide you to press the button on the doorbell to initiate the connection. Ensure your doorbell is within range of your Wi-Fi network for a strong signal. When prompted, connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Wait for the app to confirm that your doorbell is connected. Next, mount the doorbell at your preferred location. Use the included screws and mounting bracket to secure it. Once installed, check the alignment and ensure the camera view is unobstructed. Go back to the app to set up your notifications and customize your settings. You can adjust the motion sensitivity and set up specific zones for alerts. Finally, test the doorbell by pressing the button and checking if you receive notifications on your smartphone. Congratulations! Your Arlo video doorbell is now successfully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.